Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel all about SEO. In this video, we are going to discuss what is design and layout of our website. The design and layout of our websites may be appealing, but if it is not SEO friendly, it cannot achieve high ranking in search engine result pages. The search engines cannot interpret the content just like us and the visitors. A web page may not look at the same of search engines as it looks to you. So keep the following. Your website is one of the most important aspects of your brand's online presence, and it's important that you design it right. Your website is also a place where you nurture your both of the funnel leads to get conversion. So you cannot afford any website fails that might cause your prospect to bounce your websites. Your website should be designed and keeping in mind your audience and should that it provides good user experience. There are a lot of other benefits of good website design for both your business and your audience. Your website is a reflection of your brand and everything that it stands for. It is usually one of the first things people look at to get know about a brand. Therefore, it helps form the first impressions. Your website design elements like colors, fonts, images, etc. are all form of your brand identity. Therefore, you need to select those elements carefully and keep them consistent across your website. So, let's discuss the following guidelines in mind before you start thinking about the design and layout of your website. First one is keyword placement. You should use the targeted keywords and phrases at the right places throughout a website. Body text, headlines, headers, meta description, links, etc. Proper keyword placement is important for every page, but it is more important on the home page as it is a gateway and introduction to the rest of the pages of your sites. Also use proper word keywords for links instead of using see more, read more or click here. Use the keywords that describe the link itself. Second one is navigation. The navigation must be user friendly so that the user can easily find the desired information in less time. For example, moving from one step to another step should be simple and quick. Some of the useful practices to optimize your sites are: first one is the primary navigation should be at or near the top of your page and add navigation option in the footer of a web page. Third one is add breadcrumb on every page to make sure aware of their navigation path. Add a search box near the top of your page to enable search users by keywords. Offer limited navigation options on a page and limited steps in the navigations. And the last one is do not modify the website's template in every category as it could make the navigation difficult for the users. Third one is URLs and file names. URL should be SEO optimized so that the search engines can easily identify it. There are a number of ways to optimize a URL, such as incorporate keyword in the URL so that it could clearly tell what is on the page. Second one is minimize the length to make it easier for the user to copy and paste. And the last one is do not use URLs that contain random letters or numbers. And also optimize the file names. You can add relevant keyword in the file names of uploaded items. For example, media, HTML, documents, etc. Also, you should use hyphen instead of underscore, spaces or plus signs to separate words in the URL. And the fourth one is images. Website images are the important aspect of SEO and should be optimized for faster loading and search engine visibility. Some of the practices to optimize images are: the size of the images should be small, 30 to 100 KB small, and 30 and 72 dpi resolutions are considered optimal for website images. Images should be placed in context to information on the pages. There should be relevant content around an image. Use proper alt tags for the images as the search engines can only see words, not the images. So instead of using the alt tag like images or screenshot, use a phrase that contains a keyword or describe the image. And the last one is simplicity. Visitors come to your site to complete some task or find some specific information. So avoid unnecessary design elements that could make it harder for the visitor to complete a task or find information. Some instructions to enhance simplicity in a websites are: First one is do not add too many colors. According to SEO experts, use maximum of 5 colors in your websites. Choose easily readable typefaces and use maximum of 3 different typefaces and maximum of 3 different sizes of each typeface. Third one is add graphics only if they help user perform a specific actions. Fourth one is add suggestions plugins to help user find pages with specific information. And the last one is avoid horizontal scroll and pop-ups as they could annoy the users. So this is all about what is design and layout of a website. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.